Hello, welcome back to our English tropical garden. Well, it's November now and I wanted to give you a short update. As you see, the colocaceas, I've brought them into the conservatory so that hopefully they might survive through the winter. If we go close, you'll see here we've had a flower and it looks like we've got another one coming. So yeah, watch this space. So they're indoors now, and also the Spanish moss, which was outside, I've brought in, and the garden furniture that's needs to be kept dry. So I'm going to walk out into the garden and then you can join me there. So I've bought the Spanish swords under cover. I may take them inside, depends how cold it gets, but they should be okay there. And then if we pan round, the fuchsia is looking beautiful still. Last year, the frost killed it right back, and it grew. This is all growth from this summer, so that's looking good. The agave here, I'm going to think about wrapping that soon. Keep it protected from it won't get wet, so it'll be fine. So hopefully fleece around it or something will help protect that. Everything's looking okay. We've got a new leaf coming on the banana here. Don't think, and another one up there. Don't think I'm going to wrap that yet. I'll just keep an eye on the weather. The Tetrapanax papyrifer. I just astound at the size of these leaves. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. So I am going to wrap that this year. I didn't last year and I thought I'd lost it. So I will do that. I also need to wrap this tree fern and protect the centre, but I think we've got time at the moment. And the gunnera here that we split in the summer, this is doing okay. When the leaves die back, I'll put them over the core and then I'll put fleece over that to protect the centre, and then hopefully that'll be fine. And that's sort of it really I mean, everything's looking pretty okay at the moment. So the other thing I'll have to do is cut this bean tree. This is, again, it's all growth this year. So when we have a nice sunny day, I'll come out here and start to cut the branches off, ready to pollard it over the winter. So yeah, everything's looking good. These cordylines that have all grown this year, they're looking great, and again I'll try and protect those. So, and then the other thing to show you, which I will move into the greenhouse, is this red banana. I think it's Ensetia. And the pond is looking good. Fish have gone down now because it is colder. They're not eating so much. Don't blame them really. So yeah, so I'm going to have to bring in all of these agaves, take them into the greenhouse and keep them protected. So yeah, I have to think about doing that soon. We've just got the remnants of the storm that's been blustering all around south of England. We've been quite fortunate here that it's not been too bad. So yeah, so that's a little update from me in November. So see you again soon.